Hi, let's install VS Code for Windows. Open a browser, search for VS Code for Windows, click on the download link. The first button here downloads the installer for Windows. Once the executable is downloaded, we can open the folder, double click the installer, accept the agreement. This is the default location for VS Code installation. I'll keep this as is. Hit next. You may want to choose these two checkboxes to add the support for opening files and folders in VS Code. Hit next. Hit install. This will take some time, so let's come back when this completes. Okay, the installation is completed. Hit finish. And that's it. VS Code has been installed. Let's also install the Python support for VS Code. Go back to the web page, click on the Python link, then the quick start link. This says that you need to install VS Code, the Python interpreter, and Python extension. So let's go back to VS Code, click on extensions, click on Python, install. This will install the Python extension for VS Code. And that's it. The Python extension has been installed. If for some reason you did not find the Python extension listed, you can type Python here in the search bar, and that should bring up the extension.